Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Dauna and this is my art channel. Today I'm working on a long rectangle canvas and I'm gonna do a Dutch bloom in a vine. I saw this on Harmony House Art's channel and I was loving it. So I'm gonna do that as well, but I want to keep the vine in greens and the bloom with also some violet. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did, I already layered the base with white. And then let's start first creating the vine and then the center, or maybe even, yeah, I'm gonna do that first. So let's go like this way. And it's quite a small canvas, it's only 12 inches. So I'm used to using bigger canvases lately. So I'm doubting if this is maybe too little. So the bloom will come there. And a little bit of a dark olive green, but not too much, just for some contrast. And then let's go with a violet only here and some gold. Right. Okay, so I will be blowing the bloom out first. Very curious for this. Let's start. Oh, that's a beautiful bloom. So I do want to tweak it later on, but first I'm gonna blow out the vine so I can really see what I have to do with it. But this is a great start. So I wasn't anticipating on it looking like this. Somehow I imagined it differently, but let's tweak the flower first here. Do want to tweak that. So the flower is really a flower here. So now I want to tweak the vine so it's more in harmony. In harmony house art. I was talking about it. I was looking for that word, harmony. It needs to be more in harmony. Okay, so this is starting to look quite nice. What some tweaking can do, right? Yes, Oh, I'm loving the flow of this really. Shall I tweak a little bit of the flower as well? I'm really liking this. Let me know what you think. But I might tweak just a little bit in the flower too. Okay. Do I want something more? I think this is it, guys. Yeah, this is way cool. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and bring you up for the close-up.